how much should you actually spend on a high-speed blender? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you 5 blenders that actually perform, without the fluff.
Product number 1, Hamilton Beach Power Elite. First up is the Hamilton Beach Power Elite. This isn't the flashiest blender, but it's built solid. 40-ounce glass jar, 700 watts of power, and that patented wave action system that keeps ingredients circulating, so nothing gets stuck at the top. If you want reliable blending without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That glass jar is a big deal. Plastic can absorb odors and scratch over time, but glass stays clean and clear. Plus, with 12 preset functions, from crushing ice to making purees, you're not just limited to smoothies. The stainless steel Ice Saber blades handle frozen fruit like a champ, and the pour spout actually works. No messy drips when you're pouring your post-workout shake. It's also dishwasher safe, which saves you time after a long day. Now, some people complain about the motor getting loud under heavy use. Here's the thing though, it's not a commercial grade blender, so if you're making multiple batches a day, it might struggle. But for daily home use, totally fine. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable, no-nonsense blender that won't take up your whole counter. Skip this one if you need ultra silky textures or plan on blending hot soups regularly. For the price, it's a solid value.
Product number 2, Ninja Professional Plus BN701. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for families or meal preppers. Meet the Ninja Professional Plus BN701. With a massive 72-ounce pitcher and a 1400-watt motor, this thing doesn't just blend, it pulverizes. If you want restaurant-quality smoothies at home, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Those Auto IQ presets take the guesswork out of blending. Hit Smoothie, and it automatically pulses, blends, and pauses to get the perfect consistency. No more stopping to scrape down the sides. The total crushing blades turn ice into snow in seconds, so your frozen drinks actually feel like they came from a beach bar. And with a 64-ounce max liquid capacity, you can make enough for the whole family in one go. Now, some people said the pitcher is bulky and hard to store. Here's the thing though, if you've got the counter space, it's not an issue. And honestly, the performance outweighs the size for most users. This is perfect for you if you make large batches or love frozen cocktails and thick smoothie bowls. Skip this one if you live in a tiny apartment or only blend for one. For the power and features, it's a steal.
Product number 3, Ninja Fit Compact QB3001SS. Now, if the Ninja Professional Plus was too big for your lifestyle, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Ninja Fit Compact is all about speed and convenience. At just 700 watts and with 2 16-ounce to-go cups, it's built for people who want a smoothie in under a minute and then head out the door. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You blend directly in the cup, screw on the spout lid, and go. No transferring, no extra dishes. The Pro Extractor blades are designed to break down seeds, stems, and peels, so you actually absorb more nutrients from whole fruits and veggies. It's perfect for busy mornings when you're rushing to work or the gym. Now, some people wish the cups were bigger. Here's the thing though, if you're only making single servings, 16 ounces is plenty. And honestly, the portability makes up for the size. This is perfect for you if you live alone or want a quick personal smoothie without cleanup. Skip this one if you're feeding a family or like thick bowl-style smoothies. For on-the-go nutrition, it's unmatched. Product number 4, Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro BN401 comes in. All right, that was great for individuals, but what if you want to step up in power and cup size? That's where the Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro BN401 comes in. With 1100 peak watts and 24-ounce cups, it's like the Fit's bigger, stronger sibling. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2 Auto IQ programs are tuned perfectly for smoothies and crushed ice. Just press a button and walk away. The The Pro Extractor blades go deeper into tough ingredients, unlocking nutrients you normally miss. And the 24-ounce cups mean you can make a satisfying meal replacement smoothie without refilling. Now, some users said the motor base is a bit heavy. Here's the thing though, it's stable during blending, which actually prevents slipping. A small trade-off for serious power. This is perfect for you if you want smart blending with better capacity and still love taking your drink to go. Skip this one if you prefer a full-sized pitcher or hate touching buttons. For tech-savvy smoothie lovers, it's a winner.
Product number 5, Magic Bullet 11-piece set. Finally, we've got the Magic Bullet. This little guy's been around forever, and for good reason. It's not the most powerful, but it's incredibly versatile. With 11 pieces, including multiple cups, blades, and lids, you can blend, chop, whip, and even make dips. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for small kitchens. The 250-watt motor isn't strong enough for frozen fruit alone, but toss in a little liquid and it handles soft smoothies, protein shakes, and sauces like a champ. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. Just rinse or toss in the dishwasher. Now, some people were disappointed it can't crush ice well. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly blending soft fruits or pre-frozen smoothie packs, it's more than enough. Just don't expect bar-quality margaritas. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one mini kitchen tool that doesn't take up space. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty blending or large batches. For simplicity and versatility, it's still a classic.
So, which one's right for you? The Hamilton Beach if you want durability on a budget? The Ninja Professional Plus for big families? The Ninja Fit or Nutra Blender if you're always on the go? And the Magic Bullet if you want a compact multitasker? Each has its strengths. Just pick the one that fits your lifestyle.